Alright, so I'm finally going to finish this stretch of driveway down here. I completely cured the water erosion. I'm 100%. So this cut, I don't know if you could see it, but there's a big hump here. I'm going to flatten this all back out to normal gravel, bring in some fresh gravel. We planted some grass here. If you remember, I filled in a big ditch here. So the gravel is going to come, you know, half of this dirt's going to be gravel. You can see we got new grass coming in out there, so that's a good sign, but there's nothing coming down here anymore. Between the pipe and that regrading up top, I wish I'd have regraded better up top. I think it was Chris from DeHaven Family Farm. Forgive me if I got your name wrong. But he asked about why don't you just grade it up there, and I honestly thought that grass hump was a lot higher than it really was. So last time I graded up there, now a lot of the water comes across that way, and whatever is left comes and hits this pipe. So it's been thoroughly tested. There's where the pipe goes in underneath right there. So now we'll have a nice stretch of driveway down here. So here's the after look. There's my pipe right there. When I get more gravel, I'm going to widen this whole thing out and line it up with that end. You see how it's a little bit wider. But it's going to look nice with a little more gravel. But for now, it's 50 times better than what we were dealing with before. And then maybe I'll clean up this edge a little, but I'll wait till we get more gravel. No sense in doing any of it now. But it's good to have all these water problems finally cured.